Imagine a world where financial transactions are decentralized, transparent, and borderless. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the fascinating universe of digital currencies, a realm where potential is as limitless as the cosmos itself. Cryptocurrencies are not just digital money, they are a revolution, a disruption that holds the power to redefine the way we perceive and interact with our financial systems. Let's take a moment to marvel at the potential of these digital assets. By their very nature, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they do not rely on a central authority like a bank or government. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of computers spread across the globe. This decentralization can potentially deliver us from the clutches of financial monopolies, fostering a more egalitarian economic landscape. The transparency offered by cryptocurrencies is another game changer. Each transaction is recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain, which anyone can access. This level of transparency could usher in a new era of trust and accountability in financial transactions. Perhaps one of the most enticing aspects of cryptocurrencies is their borderless nature. No matter where you are in the world, you can send or receive cryptocurrencies. They have the potential to connect remote corners of the globe, empowering individuals who have been sidelined by the traditional banking system. Moreover, cryptocurrencies offer a new way of storing value and transferring assets. They can serve as a hedge against inflation, especially in economies where the local currency is unstable. They can also facilitate the transfer of assets in a way that's faster and cheaper than traditional methods. With such potential, it's no wonder that the race is on to create the next viral cryptocurrency. But it's not just about creating a new coin. It's about ideating, innovating, and integrating features that solve real-world problems or offer significant improvements over existing solutions. It's about building a community, a movement that supports and propels the cryptocurrency towards success. The potential of cryptocurrencies is truly staggering, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to approach this realm with knowledge, ethics, and respect for regulations. After all, the goal is not just to create a viral cryptocurrency, but to contribute positively to the crypto ecosystem. With such potential, it's no wonder that the race is on to create the next viral cryptocurrency. To navigate the future, we must understand the past, and so we dive into the brief yet rich history of cryptocurrencies. Our story begins in 2009 with an entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. This mysterious figure or figures introduced Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency. This revolutionary technology combined cryptography, peer-to-peer networking, and a decentralized system to create a form of digital cash free from central authority control. Bitcoin sparked a new era in the realm of finance. The following years witnessed a slow but steady growth in the acceptance and adoption of Bitcoin. It was the proverbial first domino that paved the way for other cryptocurrencies. The term altcoins was coined to represent all cryptocurrencies that were not Bitcoin, highlighting Bitcoin's foundational status in the crypto world. Around 2011, the first altcoins started to surface. Among them were Litecoin and Namecoin, each offering unique features that differentiated them from Bitcoin. Litecoin, for instance, boasted a faster block generation rate, while Namecoin aimed to decentralize domain name registration. The year 2015 marked another significant milestone in crypto evolution with the arrival of Ethereum. Unlike its predecessors, Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, enabling developers to build decentralized applications on its platform. This innovation fueled a new wave of crypto projects, leading to the creation of thousands of new tokens. The subsequent years have been a whirlwind of innovation and speculation. We've seen the rise of tokens representing everything from real-world assets to meme-inspired jokes. We've witnessed the birth of DeFi, or decentralized finance, aiming to replace traditional financial systems with open-source, transparent protocols. The landscape of cryptocurrencies is a testament to continuous evolution and innovation. From Bitcoin's pioneering role to Ethereum's smart contract revolution to the rise of DeFi and NFTs, each phase has brought new opportunities and challenges. As we can see, the world of cryptocurrencies is ever evolving, with new opportunities and challenges emerging constantly. The key to navigating this space is understanding its history and staying informed about its ongoing evolution. As we move forward, we can expect the crypto universe to continue expanding in ways we can't even imagine yet. Creating a viral cryptocurrency starts with a unique idea that fills a gap in the market. It's like finding the perfect puzzle piece that not only fits, but also enhances the entire picture. The crypto world is vast and diverse, but with careful observation and strategic thinking, you can identify a niche that your coin can fill. Think of it as a value proposition. What can your cryptocurrency offer that others don't? It might be a technological innovation, a new approach to decentralization, or a unique application in a specific industry. The key is to offer something compelling and different, something that sparks interest and meets a need. Once you've got that brilliant idea, it's time to align it with the right technology. Blockchain technology is the backbone of your cryptocurrency. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, though. Different blockchains have different strengths and weaknesses, and understanding these can help you choose the one that best supports your vision. For instance, if speed and scalability are crucial for your project, you might opt for a blockchain with a high transaction throughput. If privacy is a priority, a blockchain with advanced security features might be the way to go. The technology you choose should align with your project's goals and values. Next, consider the features of your cryptocurrency. What makes it stand out? The most successful cryptocurrencies offer innovative features that solve real-world problems or offer significant improvements over existing solutions. This could be anything from smart contracts to tokenomics, from staking rewards to unique utility within a specific ecosystem. In the end, creating a viral cryptocurrency is about more than just creating a coin. It's about creating value, solving problems, and making a positive impact. It's about innovation, vision, and the courage to do something new. Remember, a great idea is the foundation of any successful cryptocurrency, but it's just the beginning. The real work comes in bringing that idea to life, navigating the complexities of the crypto world, and building something that people not only want to invest in but believe in. This is the heart and soul of ideation and conceptualization in the crypto world. While the crypto world offers immense opportunities, it's not a lawless land. Legal and ethical considerations are paramount. The exhilarating world of cryptocurrencies is governed by a blend of local and international regulations. It's crucial to understand these rules before launching your cryptocurrency. You might be thinking, why bother with all these regulations? Well, compliance ensures the sustainability of your project and keeps you out of legal trouble, which can be a real project killer. Countries around the globe have diverse approaches to cryptocurrencies. Some embrace them, others regulate them, and a few ban them outright. So it's essential to research and understand the regulatory landscape in your target markets. This isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about ensuring your project is legally sound and ready for the long haul. But let's not stop at regulations. Transparency and security are equally significant. Transparency is about being open with your community. This involves sharing your project's goals, progress, and even the setbacks. It's about being honest and upfront. Security, on the other hand, is about safeguarding your project and its stakeholders. Cryptocurrencies are attractive targets for hackers. Implementing robust security measures not only protects your project, but also builds trust with your community. Remember, in the world of crypto, trust is everything. Now let's talk about ethics. The crypto world has seen its fair share of scams and Ponzi schemes. To stand out as a reputable project, it's vital to prioritize ethical practices. This means being honest about your project's potential and risks, avoiding hype and unrealistic promises, and ensuring your project contributes positively to the crypto ecosystem. In conclusion, while the allure of creating a viral cryptocurrency is enticing, it's crucial to ground your project in legal and ethical foundations. Understanding and adhering to regulations, ensuring transparency and security, and maintaining ethical practices are non-negotiable aspects of this process. Staying on the right side of the law and ethics not only protects you, but also builds trust with your community. With a solid idea and a clear understanding of the rules, it's time to bring your cryptocurrency to life. Let's start with the technical development process. This is where you turn your idea into reality. The first step is to create smart contracts. Think of smart contracts as self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into code lines. They form the backbone of your cryptocurrency, enabling transactions and interactions. But writing smart contracts is no walk in the park. It calls for a deep understanding of blockchain technology and coding skills. If you're not a tech whiz, don't worry. You can always collaborate with seasoned developers who can bring your vision to life. Once your smart contracts are in place, it's time to test them rigorously. Testing is crucial to ensure that your cryptocurrency functions as intended and is secure from potential threats. Remember, in the crypto world, security is paramount. Now, on to building a community. A strong, engaged community is the lifeblood of any successful cryptocurrency. Your community will not only support your coin, but also become ambassadors, spreading the word and helping your cryptocurrency achieve virality. Engage with your community regularly through social media, forums, and other platforms. Listen to their feedback and make them feel valued. Finally, let's talk about marketing and branding. In a sea of cryptocurrencies, you need to stand out. A strong brand and effective marketing strategies can help you do just that. Your brand should reflect your cryptocurrency's unique value proposition and resonate with your target audience. As for marketing, consider a mix of strategies ranging from social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, to airdrops and bounty programs. Building a cryptocurrency is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires careful planning, execution, and constant iteration. So buckle up, it's going to be an exciting journey. Launching your cryptocurrency is a big step, but it's just the beginning of your journey. Let's delve into this exciting phase where your concept transforms into a tangible asset in the world of digital finance. First off, you'll need to plan a successful initial coin offering, or ICO, also known as a token generation event, or TGE. This is when you'll introduce your cryptocurrency to the public, offering a set number of coins or tokens for purchase. It's vital to ensure your ICO is well-structured and transparent. You need to clearly communicate the value proposition of your token, its use cases, and how the funds raised will be used. Remember, the goal is to instill confidence in potential investors and create a buzz around your project. Next, let's talk partnerships and collaborations. In the vast sea of cryptocurrencies, alliances can be your beacon. Partnerships with established businesses, other blockchain projects, or influential figures in the crypto world can lend credibility to your project and help you reach a larger audience. Collaborations can also open doors to new use cases and technological advancements for your token. Finally, we come to scaling and adaptation. The crypto landscape is ever evolving. New technologies emerge, market trends shift, and regulations change. Your cryptocurrency needs to be flexible and resilient to thrive in this dynamic environment. Scaling involves expanding your project's capacity to handle growth, while adaptation is about staying relevant and competitive amid change. This could involve anything from improving your coin's transaction speed to incorporating new functionalities, or even pivoting your entire project's focus based on market needs. And there you have it. From planning a successful launch to fostering growth and ensuring adaptability, these steps are crucial in your journey to creating a viral cryptocurrency. Remember, the success of a cryptocurrency is not just about its launch, but its ability to grow and adapt over time. Creating a viral cryptocurrency is no small feat. It requires a blend of innovation, ethics, and respect for regulations. Let's take a quick look back at what we've covered today. We began by understanding the crypto ecosystem, diving into its history and the current landscape. We've learned that a cryptocurrency's success is not just about its technical merit, but also about the community support it garners and the market conditions it thrives in. Then we moved on to the ideation and conceptualization phase. We discussed the importance of finding a unique niche in the crowded crypto market and building on the right blockchain technology. We stressed the need for innovative features that solve real-world problems or offer significant improvements over existing solutions. We also talked about the crucial legal and ethical considerations. Regulatory compliance is non-negotiable, and transparency with your community is vital. We emphasized the importance of robust security measures and the need to build an ethical project that contributes positively to the crypto ecosystem. Then we dove into the technical development of your project, including smart contracts and testing phases. We also talked about the importance of creating a strong, engaged community around your cryptocurrency and using effective marketing strategies to generate interest and virality. Finally, we discussed the launch and growth of your project. We talked about planning a successful initial coin offering or token generation event, leveraging partnerships and collaborations, and strategies for scaling and adapting to market changes. Now it's up to you. I encourage you to continue learning about blockchain technology and to approach cryptocurrency creation with innovation, ethics, and respect for regulations. This is a journey, and each step you take brings you closer to your goal. As we continue to explore the vast universe of cryptocurrencies, remember to innovate, stay ethical, and respect the rules. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.